Welcome, my dear sisters and brothers. This is readable computer tutorials. We are still on partner programs, right? So for those who attended our previous lesson, I learned about how to write C++ program to print this cross sign, right? By using for loop and if statement, of course. But now this program you are seeing on your screen is not just for this output, is now for square outlines, this one, right? So this is the program to print this output. Let me show you how it works once I make compilation of this program and run it. You see, this is our output, right? This one. So in this video, we are going to learn together how to write C++ program to print these square outlines, right? Step by step, you will be able to write C++ program to print these square outlines. So what you need to do, as usual, is just to subscribe this channel, to like this video, and share it to your colleagues. So we are not going to spend much more time. Let us jump into our today's business. Yeah, guys, as usual, to develop this program, we need to use for loop, right? And also if statement to set condition. So let us create loop for rows. Let us int I, which is equal to 1, then I must be less than or equal to 5, then I must be increment, right? To mean I will increment from 1 to 5. Then also for columns, also we need to start from 1, then must be less than or equal to 5 then also j must be increment. Here also this is the j, right? So then after here we need to set condition. So let us check our square again, right? This one, as usual, for first line is where row is equal to 1, right? For this vertical line, this one is where column is equal to 1, right? But this line is where row is equal to 5, and also this column here is where column is equal to 5, right? For this vertical line. So to mean the condition we are going to use if I is equal to 1 or j is equal to 1 or I is equal to 5 and or j is equal to 5. In that case, we display stars as you see here, right? For row 1, column 1, row 5, column 5. So is where we print star. Otherwise we print an empty or space as usual, right? If our I is equal to 1 or j is equal to 1 or I is equal to 5, but remember here we need to use relational operator, then all I is equal to 5, like this. And in this case we display star, right? And in this case we display star like this. Otherwise I will display just else display that space like this. Then once this loop finished, we'll display end line. To mean we'll start a new line like this. And also remember, here we need to return 0 when the condition here for I is false. That's why here we need to write return 0 like this. So yeah, let us make compilation of this program to check whether it's print out what we really need, right? As square outlines. Let us make a compilation. Yeah, you see, there is no error. We can now run our program to check an output. Yeah, you see. Yeah, this is what we get once we run our program, but it's not meet with what we want, because here this line should be displayed here. So this is column number 1. But remember here, this space it represents also column. To mean this is column number 1, column number 2, column number 3, column number 4, and then column number 5, column number 6, column number 7, column number 8, then column number 9, right? So in order to avoid confusion, let us delete this space here so that our column will be arranged in the proper way, right? Without skip any column, right? Let us reduce or delete this space, then compilation again to check an output whether there is some errors or not. As you see, there is no error. Let us run it to check now the currently output. Yeah, you see, now is well displayed. This is our output, right? You see our square outlines, right? This one. So as you see, it's like really what I already showed you before. This one, you see, this one. Yeah, so this is how you can write C++ program to print square outlines by using for loop and if statement. And this is the end of today's lesson. Please let me remind you to make subscribe, to like this video, and share it to your colleagues so that they can learn different programs here for free with GWO computer tutorials. So let me see you in the next video.